If you have internet connection, a phone or a PC, I'll show you a website that will earn you hundreds of dollars every day. Upwork has made many people rich and you are the next person to make money using Upwork. I like Upwork because you can work as a part-timer and you don't need to be in the office. Getting started as a beginner on Upwork makes you find new ways to reach your professional goals. Upwork is designed to help you connect with your potential long-term clients who can help your freelance business grow. In this video, I'll guide you how to create an Upwork account step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up. Go to this website and click sign up button. Choose I am a freelancer looking for work. Step 2. Make your sign up choice. There are a few ways to sign up for your free account. If you continue with Google or Apple, you will use your existing account to log into your site. This means one less username and password to remember. It extends any notifications you've turned on, like suspicious event detection, to your Upwork account. You can use your preferred email address to create a unique login that isn't directly connected to other devices. Finish creating your account by adding a few more details like your first and last name, a password for your account, and your location. Decide whether you want to subscribe to top tips. Then hit the appropriate checkbox once you've reviewed your Upwork terms of services, including the user agreement and privacy policy. Reviewing the terms of services can be a lot to process, but understanding these terms is also critically important to your business and your success in Upwork. Once you're ready, click on Create My Account to move on to the next part. Step 3. Start your journey on Upwork with a few questions. Through this initial process, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions about yourself, including your experience as an independent professional. This won't be shared with anyone, but your answer will help Upwork understand whether you might need some additional assistance as you get your Upwork profile set up. 2. Your biggest goal. Having a better understanding of what you are aiming for helps Upwork highlight the opportunities most likely to support your objectives. Upwork also wants to know about your work experience. There are 2 ways to pitch your services to potential clients on Upwork. There is no right or wrong answer. Independent professionals often combine both strategies and you will be able to do the same. The response you give during the sign-up process just indicates how you think you'd like to start. Step 4. More about what you do. Your freelancer profile is an important part of your introduction to potential new clients. Its goal is to share who you are and the work you do, highlight your expertise, and capture attention. The Upwork Academy course on creating your profile can give you an overview of the whole process. First, give your profile a title. Keep your title short but engaging. Get the most important information across as quickly as possible. Keep it in mind that on mobile search results, your title will trail off with quote-unquote after 35 characters or so. Be specific and include keywords that potential clients may search for. Step 5. Summarize your past work experience. Your past work experience can help build credibility with potential clients, particularly when you're new to Upwork. It can not only emphasize just your level of experience, but also highlight industries or subject areas you may already be familiar with. You may want to include companies you've worked with in the past, project completed before joining Upwork, projects you can share from other freelancing sites. Step 6. Highlight your educational background. This section summarizes your formal education. If you choose to add entries here, all the details are optional except the institution. I suggest including any degrees you've earned or anticipate earning, even if you haven't yet completed them, the area of study, additional details such as awards or recognitions received, or extracurricular activities, i.e. teams or clubs you are involved in. Step 7. Add your language proficiency. Upwork operates in English and you're required to indicate your English proficiency in your profile. Your clients on Upwork come from all over the world and often do business in other languages, so be sure to indicate any other language you might speak. While language skills are self-assessed, try to be as accurate as possible so you set the right expectations with potential clients. Step 8. List your skills and show potential clients what you have to offer. You can highlight as many as 15 skills from Upwork extensive list on your profile. As you start to type in a skill, Upwork will offer suggestions from a standardized list. These skills will show up on their profile. You can drag and drop them into the order you want and help potential clients understand whether you have the skill set their project needs. Step 9. Polish your title and write your profile overview. A great title and overview can make a difference to the responses you get from clients since they are among the first things they will see. Let's start by thinking about what clients will see in such results. It's basically an ad for your services. What can you do to help entice potential clients to click through and look at your full freelancer profile? The profile title and first 2 lines of your overview will appear in such results, so you may want to focus your efforts there. Make your first sentence count. Your whole bio can be a critical tool to convert new clients, but the very beginning is the most visible. In fact, while your overview can be up to 5,000 characters, Overhaul suggested keeping it to a few short paragraphs. Step 10. Identify the main services you want to offer. You can choose up to 10 categories. I suggest picking the strongest, most specialized, and most in demand. While the categories you select will impact how clients will find your profile, you can submit proposals to job postings in any category. Step 11. Set your hourly rate. If the question about setting your rates sparks anxiety, keep these 2 things in mind. 1. You can adjust your overall rate at any time, and you can customize your rate every time you submit a proposal. One mistake new freelancers on Upwork often make is to base their rates on their salary as an employee. While that may be a starting point, it doesn't account for costs you are now responsible for, such as equipment you rely on, your home office setup, taxes and professional fees, or ongoing skills training. You may find it helpful to start at one rate, then adjust it as you build your reputation through completed projects and client feedback. Improve your understanding or the value you offer to long-term clients and get better sense of the effort each project requires. Step 12. Add profile photo and few last details. Businesses want to work with professionals they can trust with critical work. Does your profile photo inspire confidence? Upwork has a few requirements for profile photo. For example, the photo must 1. Clearly show your face. 2. Be real photo and can't be a group of photo. 3. Measure at least 250 by 250 pixels. 4. Be in a JPEG or PNG format. Your photo doesn't need to be professionally taken, but how can you ensure you have high quality profile image? Check out more tips on how to get a perfect profile picture. You will also be prompted to share your contact information, including your address and phone number. Only your city, state, and country will be shared with potential clients. The additional information is for Upwork's administrative requirements, and if you are traveling or are otherwise not currently at home, enter the address you use for tax purposes. Step 13. Go to the bonus points. You're just about finished. Review your freelancer profile information one more time before submitting it for publication. While you need to complete at least 50% of your profile before you can start submitting proposals to job posts, you can add optional items to get your profile to 100%. This may include at least one portfolio item, any degree and diplomas, a brief video introduction, certifications you've earned, other experiences that are relevant to work, additional skills tags or positions for your employment history. If you are not ready to add this additional information right away, don't worry, you can always come back to add more information later. Step 14. Your freelance journey on Upwork has begun. Congratulations! With your Upwork account setup, you are ready to start working towards your first project. In the next section, we'll share best practices to help you find a great project and submit your first proposal. See you in the next video.